What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to tell you guys about one tip that can transform your life forever. So stay tuned. So if this is your first time in my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to this channel. On this channel, I talk about motivational, how to make money online, and how to help people get to financial freedom and get their business on the road. And also talk about how you can change your life as you go along. So maybe some of you guys are in a 9 to 5 right now and you love to find a way how to make some extra money. But I'm going to give you one big tip to transform your life. And this tip is never give up. No matter what it is that you're going through right now. I know sometimes, you're starting your online business or whatever it is that you're doing right now, and it may seem like nothing is happening. Sometimes you try to probably grow a YouTube channel or trying to get leads, or you're trying to make a sale, right? Trying to set up your Shopify store, trying to start your affiliate marketing business, or whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. My big advice is do not quit, because it's easier to quit than to get to success. And I've spoken and I've speak to a lot of people every single day. And there's a lot of people out there that are facing challenges. And don't you think that people online or successful people don't go through these phases, or because they're rich or because they're successful makes them, any superior than you are? What I'm trying to tell you right now is you just got to stick with it. Right now, it's kind of hard, and you just got to step back for a little bit. Go for a walk, take a walk, read a book. Don't go watch TV, but listen to some motivational audio or something. Clear your head for a little bit and just think of exactly why you're doing this, why you get started, and how bad do you really want this. Because, again, you have to push forward. You can't give up. And a lot of times, even I was like, man, this thing is too much work. This make money online thing, entrepreneurship, it's a lot of work. But for some reason, I'm not going to give up. So you guys just got to push yourself. So that's my one big tip to success, is never give up. So no matter what it is that you're going through, push through, keep your head up, smile a little bit, and remember, you're alive, so you can do this. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and stick around for more content. Peace.